Guess what time it is?
Time for more cake?
No, it's time for the students to define and call their own method.
Wait, we're asking them to define and call a brand new method?
Yeah.
What's it called?
It's called Create Order Summary. It's going to take a summary of everything they entered into the app and then output that as text.
Do you think they're ready?
I think so. I think it's time for our little birds to spread their wings and fly. Now we're going to change the app so it looks like this. If I change the quantity and then hit the order button, then it prints out a longer summary of the order. This is what will happen in the main activity at a high level. When we click on the order button in the app, we'll call this method, and then inside of this, we're going to call the calculate price method. We're going to call the method with no input parameters. We're going to execute these instructions here, and then we're going to return the price. Once we have the price in the submit order method, we're going to be able to call the create order summary with that price. So we pass in the price to this method, and then we execute the instructions inside of it. And then we're going to return the summary text. And then in these lines of code, we can display that summary onto the screen. To implement that in code, we're going to create the order summary method. This is a screenshot of what the final app should look like. It's the same as what I showed you earlier. The first task is to create this as a new method in the main activity. The method will be called create order summary. It's going to take as input the price of the order, which is going to be a number. Then it's going to return this message. Feel free to use your own name or any other name, and make sure that quantity and total are accurate based on what the user selected in the quantity picker. Then just add thank you. The second step is to then call this new method from the submit order method. Once you get this string back in the submit order method, then go ahead and display it on the screen, like this. Check these boxes when you're done.